Climate change is going to be a problem for everybody. Today, 7 billion human beings are paying a huge price on the global crisis for sustainable food, energy and water.
Water supplies are limited. 97.5% of the Earth's water is salty, and only 2.5% is fresh water. But over 2/3 of this fresh water is locked in the polar ice caps and glaciers. This leaves only 0.5% in our lakes, rivers and groundwater for agricultural, industrial and personal use. But due to pollution, the quality of this water is under threat. According to the World Health Organization, only 0.007% of the world's total water supply is safe for consumption, and this minuscule amount needs to be shared by the more than 7 billion people on the planet. And this water is not distributed evenly throughout the world. 1.2 billion people live in areas of water scarcity in places such as southwestern United States, India, Spain, North Africa, Australia and northern China. At the same time, demand for water is intensifying. Over the last 100 years, global population has tripled and water consumption has increased sixfold. But our total water supply has remained unchanged. More people are now using a lot more of the same limited amount of water. And what has driven this exponential increase in water consumption? A growing middle class in the emerging markets has been one key contributor. As disposable incomes rise, eating habits change, and people tend to eat more meat. It takes 1,300 litres of water to produce 1 kilo of wheat, and 3,400 litres for 1 kilo of rice. But 15,500 litres of water are required to produce 1 kilo of beef. And with continued population growth and prosperity, meat consumption is expected to double by 2050. At this rate, by 2030, total demand for water will exceed the available global supply by 40%.
This is the first time in the world that researchers are building a prototype in a full-scale quantum greenhouse. Produces food, energy and water from a single source farm. Unlike other greenhouses which produce only food, can produce many times more factor than the best agriculture methods currently available. Farming technology will lead to new life-saving, problem-solving for global crisis for food, energy and water. Enhances environment and economics. 100% natural and more nutritious. It is more tasty and it is 100% organic. An astonishing organic farming business buzzing with self-sustainable food, energy and water with 300% or more profitability. A magnet for talent and investment, a candor of innovation. Whether it's agriculture, energy, water, food, technology or sustainable smart building systems, PB smart and intelligent farming technology from phenomena of the ancient evolutions past natural farming knowledge and intelligence with present smart technological opportunities to create instant super yield self-sustainable agro-industries with zero carbon footprints globally at any location. Technological advancements have resulted in the most volatile outcome on agro-industry being 123.3%, the highest against conventional and century-old technology which is just 12.8% at least. Another key factor for PB World success is, it is affordable, less efforts, high efficiency and dynamic distribution at any location, globally. And innovative technology achievements are remarkable. All this derived from brainpower, think tank, agility and can sustain by itself, is indeed suitable for at any location globally. PFT Farms addresses large, interesting market work, technological expertise, robust engineering, and affordability with less effort, high efficiency and maximum result. PFT is highly agile, since we focus on startup farms doing things that have generally not been done before. Farms are agile, can change plans rapidly, come up or transform with new ideas, zigzag wherever the road leads to. Some business models or people are too traditional and they do what they have done before, and don't make good in today's cutting-edge smart world. Technology is really noble technology and technology breakthrough to meet global crisis for food, energy and water. PFT can cause disruption to existing agro-industries, fast-growing organic market and that give the PFT startup farms an advantage. 1. Opportunity. PFT's opportunity is that there is no competition with similar technology with other farms simply because we are reinventing a new revolution in sustainable agriculture technology, and it is also makes you feel better and confident. When you look into the world's 7 billion people, everything is a problem for food, energy and 2. Determination. 3. Intelligent. Leadership, clarity, vision. Intelligent. 4. Listening. Of all the skills of PFT team, our teams listen to our customers. 5. Commitment. Leadership, integrity. Commitment is PFT is. Commitment is a long road. No matter how likely we are to stick with ups and downs, we are committed to provide affordable quality food, renewable energy and water. 7. Right investor, right team, get lucky. PFT always get the right investor. We make sure that our investors understand our vision and give PFT the freedom to chalk out our own super path. We find our right team in PFT. Our bar of talent is extremely high. 1. Saves up to 100% of water consumption and recycling the water. 2. Uses up to 100% less fertilizer. 3. Uses only organic fertilizers. 4. Is a soilless farming techniques with field farming options. 5. No chemicals and pesticides which include herbicides, insecticides and fungicides, plant growth regulators such as hormones, livestock antibiotics, food additives, genetically modified organisms, human sewage sludge, and nanomaterial. 6. 100% yield crops than field farming. 7. Greenhouses produces nutritious crops all year round. 8. High return on investment. 9. Low setup cost and operational costs. Affordable at any location globally. 10. Protects crops against soil contaminations. 11. Sustainable eco-friendly farming methods. 12. No need of huge labors, spaces, heavy machinery leaving oil residues on plants. 13. No need to worry about seasons to grow crops. 14. No carbon footprints, no chemical pesticides. 15. High yield per ton per acre, 4 to 6 crops a year. 16.